20 classic cars under $5,000. Some run, some need work, and a few might surprise you. Let's take a closer look. Car 1, 1976 Chevrolet Nova, $4,500, Petoskey, Michigan. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova is presented as a running project with a strong interior condition. The seller notes that the engine runs, and the car can start and move under its own power, making it easier to load and transport. However, it does consume some oil, which suggests future engine work may be needed. While not described as road-ready, it appears mechanically alive and usable for basic movement. Overall, it's a decent starting point for someone looking for a drivable project with a solid interior. Car 2, 1968 Chevrolet Impala, $3,200, Waynesville, North Carolina. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala is a running project that has been sitting outside for an extended period. The car starts and runs, and it comes with newer tires and factory air, along with included trim and bumpers. The main concerns are cosmetic and interior related, as it will require a full interior restoration and repaint. Despite its rough condition, it retains its core components and mechanical function. Overall, it's a restoration candidate with a running drivetrain. Car 3, 1977 Pontiac Catalina Landau, $5,000, Jasper, Alabama. This 1977 Pontiac Catalina Landau features a newer engine and transmission setup, giving it a solid mechanical base. The seller notes a Chevy 350 paired with a matching transmission, indicating a swapped and upgraded drivetrain. It still requires exhaust installation and some finishing work, including air conditioning setup. The car is sold with a bill of sale only, which may affect registration. Overall, it's a partially completed project with strong mechanical upgrades already in place. Car 4, 1962 Dodge 880 Sedan, $2,000, Greenville, Ohio. This 1962 Dodge 880 is a running and driving project that is not yet road-ready. The seller notes that it starts, moves, and stops to some degree, but will need brake work before being safely driven. It includes several new parts, such as a master cylinder, hoses, shocks, and an aluminum radiator. The car appears complete and functional at a basic level. Overall, it's an affordable project with mechanical groundwork already started. Car 5, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $3,500, La Crosse, Wisconsin. This 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is a non-running project with a manual transmission and a 350 engine. The car will require mechanical work to get back on the road, along with body repairs. There is visible damage to the body, including a hole in the hood and quarter panel issues, though extra parts are included. It is clearly aimed at someone with restoration experience. Overall, it's a hands-on project with classic Corvette appeal.
Car 6, 1971 Ford Mustang Convertible, $4,500, Morton Grove, Illinois. This 1971 Ford Mustang Convertible is a solid project foundation with many structural upgrades already completed. The seller highlights new floors, suspension components, and a large number of extra parts included with the car. While it is not fully restored and will need to be trailered, much of the difficult groundwork has already been handled. The inclusion of fiberglass panels and additional components adds value. Overall, it's a well-prepared project base for a classic Mustang build. Car 7, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette L82, $4,950, Charlotte, North Carolina. This 1979 Corvette L82 is a running and driving project that currently cannot be safely driven due to brake issues. The engine runs, but the braking system has a leak and will require repair before road use. The car has several other concerns, including cosmetic wear, electrical issues, and interior imperfections. Despite this, it retains a complete structure and a desirable L82 engine. Overall, it's a full project car with solid fundamentals, but multiple areas needing attention. Car 8, 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $4,000, Saltville, Virginia. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is a long-term storage project that has not been started in decades. It features an inline-six engine and automatic transmission, with bucket seats still in place. The car will require floor pan repairs and full mechanical recommissioning after sitting since the late 1980s. Its originality and completeness add to its appeal. Overall, it's a classic restoration project with long-term potential. Car 9, 1967 Dodge Coronet 440, $2,900, Wyandotte, Michigan. This 1967 Dodge Coronet 440 is a partially running project that is currently not drivable due to structural issues. The engine runs and the car can move slowly, but it requires repair to the shock tower and inner fender. It has some newer components, including tires and cooling parts, but still needs significant work. Previously used as a daily driver, it now requires restoration. Overall, it's a repair-focused project with usable mechanical components. Car 10, 1971 Pontiac Catalina, $4,100, Oskaloosa, Iowa. This 1971 Pontiac Catalina is described as a running and driving car in good overall condition. It features a 400 V8 engine, power steering, power brakes, and cruise control. The vehicle has had recent maintenance, including a tune-up and new tires, though the air conditioning may need servicing. It is positioned as a usable cruiser or even a daily driver. Overall, it's one of the more complete and ready-to-drive cars in this list.
Car 11, 1963 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, $5,000, Charlotte, North Carolina. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala is described as a running car that still needs a few finishing touches to be fully sorted. It is powered by a 283 engine, which is known for being a reliable small block setup, and the seller suggests that the remaining issues are relatively minor. While details are limited, it appears to be a straightforward project that could be improved without a full restoration. The car runs and drives, making it usable in its current state with some additional work. Overall, it's a simple, classic full-size sedan that offers a good balance between usability and project potential. Car 12, 1971 Ford Ranchero, $5,000, Jasper, Alabama. This 1971 Ford Ranchero is presented as a running and driving classic with a 302 engine and automatic transmission. The seller notes that it operates well, suggesting it can be used as is without immediate mechanical work. The Ranchero platform combines coupe styling with utility, making it a unique option among classic vehicles. While no major issues are highlighted, it is still an older vehicle that may require cosmetic or minor maintenance over time. Overall, it's a functional and distinctive classic that can be enjoyed while gradually improved. Car 13, 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $5,000, Gold Hill, North Carolina. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird is a running and driving example equipped with a 390 big block engine and automatic transmission. The seller indicates that the car performs well mechanically, making it a usable classic in its current condition. Cosmetically, it will need attention, including paint and interior work such as carpeting. The car has been partially prepped with primer, suggesting that bodywork has already begun. Overall, it's a solid driver with strong mechanical performance, but it will need cosmetic finishing to reach its full potential. Car 14, 1973 Dodge, $4,800, Grant, Michigan. This 1973 Dodge is a running and driving project powered by a 318 V8 with an automatic transmission. The seller notes that it performs well enough to be driven, making it suitable for someone who wants a project that can still be used on the road. The car does require body and interior work, indicating that it is not a finished vehicle. However, having a functioning drivetrain allows for gradual restoration while still enjoying the car. Overall, it's a practical project car that offers both drivability and room for improvement. Car 15, 1973 Chevrolet Nova, $2,000, Bailey, North Carolina. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a budget project that currently runs but has fuel delivery issues preventing consistent operation. It is equipped with a 307 engine and automatic transmission, and some systems such as wipers and signals are already functional. The seller has completed some brake-related work, including replacing key components, which is a positive sign. However, the engine is not running properly at the moment and will require troubleshooting. Overall, it's an affordable entry-level project with partial mechanical progress already made.
Car 16, 1970 Ford Mustang Grande, $1,500, Dornsife, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Ford Mustang Grande is a very affordable running and driving project. It features a 302 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, giving it a solid drivetrain foundation. The main issue noted is the need for brake work, and it is being sold without a title, which may complicate registration depending on location. Despite this, the car does run and move, making it a viable base for restoration. Overall, it's a low-cost Mustang project with immediate mechanical needs, but strong potential. Car 17, 1974 Triumph TR6, $4,000, Crown Point, Indiana. This 1974 Triumph TR6 has been stored for over 20 years and is now being offered as a long-term project. The engine turns over, but the car has not been started in many years, meaning a full mechanical recommissioning will be required. The absence of a title may also be a consideration for buyers. Despite its current condition, the TR6 is a desirable British roadster, and complete examples can be worth restoring. Overall, it's a classic project suited for someone prepared for a full revival process. Car 18, 1979 Jeep CJ7, $3,500, Washington, Indiana. This 1979 Jeep CJ7 is a running and driving vehicle equipped with a 4.2-liter inline-6 engine and manual transmission. The seller states that the 4x4 system works properly, making it usable both on and off-road. It appears to be in functional condition with no major mechanical issues mentioned, which sets it apart from many projects. The simplicity of the CJ platform also makes it easier to maintain and modify. Overall, it's a usable classic off-road vehicle that can be enjoyed immediately. Car 19, 1975 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, $4,950, Atlanta, Georgia. This 1975 Chevrolet Impala is being sold as a rolling body without an engine or transmission. It is essentially a shell, making it suitable for a full custom build or restoration project. The car is registered and appears complete in terms of body structure, but it will require a full drivetrain installation. This type of project is best suited for someone with experience or a specific build plan in mind. Overall, it's a blank canvas for a full rebuild. Car 20, 1963 Ford Falcon, $900, Pleasantville, Ohio. This 1963 Ford Falcon is one of the most affordable options in the list and is being sold as a non-running project. It has been sitting for years and will require a full restoration or rebuild to return to the road. The car does come with a title, which is a positive aspect, and it can be easily loaded onto a trailer. Given its low price, it offers an entry point into classic car ownership for those willing to take on a full project. Overall, it's a basic restoration candidate with minimal upfront cost. If you enjoy realistic classic car listings like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Which one would you pick from this list? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.